Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today I'm going to be working on a perfect handle style screwdriver. I got this particular screwdriver at the Habitat for Humanity for 50 cents. I put it in Evaporust, cleaned it up, found out it's from Germany. So sit back, relax, and watch how I restore this screwdriver. Here's the screwdriver before Evaporust. Yes, it was 50 cents. This is after Evaporust. An 8 for an 8-inch screwdriver. Removing the old damaged scales. Let's hit the wire wheel and the fiber wheel. It looks like after the wire wheel and the fiber wheel. Cleaning up heavy areas on the screwdriver with the 1-inch belt sander. Making handle scales from a piece of oak plank from a pallet. Using my 3-inch belt sander to shape the scales to fit the screwdriver. Use 16D common nails and JB Weld to affix the scales. I used my Dremel to trim down the nails. I used my 3-inch belt sander to trim down the scales. I'm using my orbital sander to finish shaping the wooden handles. It's time to buff and polish. I'm trying out this Minwax Red Oak paint stick. Not seen is a clear coat of gloss enamel. Now here is what it looked like before I started, and this is how it looks now. Well, what'd you think? Hopefully you enjoyed that restoration of the screwdriver. I think it came out pretty good. I'm not the best, but for my first time doing this, I had a good time. So obviously there's some gaps and whatnot, but I'm pretty happy. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Foust, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.